takes up a lot more room in the pocket than you think. Right, puppy? Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. Hope you like that intro. Today we are reviewing a Samsung gadget. Can you see the box? You already saw the thumbnail. It's the S23, and have I tried the Ultra before? I don't know. I don't think I have. This is my first Ultra in a long while. They used to call it something. Years ago, Samsung released a Darth Vader edition, and when you took out the stylus, it made this cool lightsaber sound. This is the red one. Let's take a look. Here goes nothing. Small incision. Don't want to break the skin, but we do want to break the tape. Always knife safety. Okay, my favorite. Whoa, okay. That was cool. Wow. It looks like an insect. I've never seen a box like that before. That's new. That's really new. Okay. So they have a little, oh, yes, it's kind of an orange red. I'm very happy. It's an orange red. You know, I didn't know if it was going to be a blood red or a burgundy red, but yeah, it's kind of I think it's kind of orange. And we all know orange is the true color of the sun. So now we can, that's very gratifying. Thank you, Samsung. Wow. It's larger than I thought. Let's turn it on, shall we? That was anticlimactic. On preview, oh, there we go. You gotta hold it down to the buzz. Okay, no lightsaber sound. The stylus feels like a stylus. I remember an HP phone that I used about 19 years ago. Oh, that's very gratifying. Welcome. Start. Yep, agree, sign my life away, yes, agree to all, thank you for your review. Setup using, should I import my iPhone? I don't think so. Skip. Choose a network, look away. The touch sensitivity on the keyboard, nice. There's just a slight bezeled edge. I like it. Wow, those cameras, huh? That's something else. Select your service provider. Oh yeah, we'll just skip that for now. We'll put a SIM card in later. Let's see what else is in the box. Not much these days. I'll tell you that much. Not much. Oh, they gave us a cable. Samsung, thank you so much. I mean, I give you $1,000 and you send me this $2 cable. Thank you. That's just so considerate. USB-C to USB-C. I have 5 of those. I don't need another one. And truth be told, I prefer this one right here. This is, I was talking to my friend Gare, and he really likes this, so I'm gonna send him one. It's by McDodo. Where is my thing? Can't find my glasses. Yeah, McDodo. Can you read that? But it lights up. So when you charge your phone, which I need to do, it only came at 42%. Watch this. Oh, it shows the wattage. So it's sucking in 15 watts right now. I'm very curious to see how fast this charges. I will be testing that later. The first charge is nothing, but I like the phone, but now we need to protect it. Yes, ooh, that is really sticky. It does come with a SIM card ejector tool, nothing fancy. I like the one I got from Nothing. See that? It looks like a little resistor that you'd buy at Radio Shack 15 years ago. So cool. This is just kind of generic one, but I'll add it to my collection. Guarded by a Death Eater. So we'll just see. How many do I have now? I have a few. I'm not bragging. It's an issue that I have, buying new phones every year, but it's for you. I do it for you. I don't do it for me, and I kind of do it for me. I do like setting up new phones. That's interesting. Oh, there was. I'm like, I thought a part of the Samsung S23 came off. This is an old nib, an old stylus tip that I put in there with. I should just put that in the castle, but there's no back. You love that Death Eater, don't you? You want to start buying Harry Potter Legos. Sorry, you want to start purchasing and collecting Harry Potter Lego sets. A friend of mine corrected me. It's not Legos, it's just Lego. I like Lego bricks. I like playing with Lego. So far, so good. Let's see if it makes any special sounds when you take out the stylus, except getting your phone ready. This part's boring. Pause. Well, that was really quick. If you don't import anything, you don't sign into anything, here we go. Ooh, it gives me that nice little hello. But I thought it'd make a special sound. We'll look into that. This is just day one. Enrollment complete, your phone will need to restart. Yeah. But sucking in 15 watts, and that's through this little charger right here, PD. So it should be just as fast, but it might go faster through one of its own. This Samsung super duper fast charger that they've had for about 2 years. And then later I'll be testing it with this Samsung Duo charger, which I've had for the better part of a year. Oh, it rebooted fast, so that's good. Oh, very nice. We get a nice unlocking sound. Standard Samsung, that is a beautiful screen, and I really like the color. Now the question is, how are we going to protect this? Whoops, messed up my lighting there. Don't look behind the curtain. So, talked to my friends, Poetic, over in California, and they sent me some toys. Slice that open. We'll do a different unboxing here as I cut off my head. I think this is from Poetic. We're about to find out. How cool! They sent me a bog. Protection you can trust. Well, thank you, Poetic. And Poetic since 2013. That's a great year. I am going to use that for grocery shopping. So we have these boxes and these boxes, and that's it. I will recycle that, I promise. Okay, what do we have here? Designed in California, made in China. Poetic, Revolution Samsung S23 Ultra, black new. We have Poetic, S23 Ultra Black, neon. Oh yeah, let's try that one. So a small little size. I like Poetic packaging because it's quite simple and I can recycle everything that I don't use. Ooh yeah, I'm liking this already. Oh, orange, thank you. You've been watching my reviews. That's nice, look at that. Slim, has like the protectors right there. So this one is a duo case. So basically what you do is you put this rubber shell on first. See right there? A camera like this, yes, it is several $100s, but as much as I would love to run around naked with this phone, sorry, let me rephrase. As much as I would like to run around with a naked phone without a case, it's really risky. So I really like this one, especially the fact that it has an orange trim. So now after you put on the soft shell, you put on the hard shell and it just snaps on like so. Very cool. And now the first test, can you still charge with Poetic? Did they leave enough room? Yes, yes they did. That's good. And then of course, if we were to use the OEM cable, which I tossed, this one, that one fits perfectly because the McDodo one is a little bit thick So it just depends on which kind of charger you have, but it's a pretty good gap that they left. And yes, the stylus easily pops in and out, even with that case on. Next thing, wireless charging. Plug that in like so. And we put this on there like so. Yes, it wireless charges. That's pretty much a perfect case if you ask me. One, I like the color. Black on black on black. I can still see the red part of my case, and I get the orange trim. And if I drop it, there's a nice little lip on top to protect it. So what do I think so far of this S23? It's pretty cool. It's pretty fabulous. It is a phablet, so it's not a tablet, it's not a phone. You know, if I compare it to the iPhone 12 mini that I normally am rocking around with, look at that, it towers. I mean, this was brand new back in 2021, and now this is 2023 tech, but still, wow, what it's like this could, you just, this phone could eat this phone. And then if we compare it to another one, where'd that go? Oh, there it is. My apologies for the blinding light. This is the not the OnePlus, the Nothing Phone 1 versus the S23. So it is, yes, this is definitely the tallest phone I've tried or had in my hand. So I'm going to take some pictures and we're going to test this camera. We're going to test it right there against my little Lego people. So this is 1X. Oh, that was a 4.3. Do over. I want 16.9. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's 1X. And this is 3X zoom. And then I can tap right on the, wow. Okay, now we'll turn. We'll see how close we can get to Hermione. Now we're going to take one at 10X from just right here. Well, it is still a little shaky. And then I can zoom, whoa, holy cow, okay. I can zoom in and see the pore of the Lego. Okay, so this is, wow, that's still really shaky. I mean, honestly, you'd want a tripod, and then we'll try a nice wide view. And we'll try a nice portrait of moi. Here we go. As much as I don't like taking pictures of myself, to be honest. Okay, so this is me portrait on the S23, and we'll do a 1:1 ratio. Cheese. So what do you think? Pretty good? You can change background effect. I mean, it's going to be better with outdoor lighting. Okay, I will see you in a few days after I get to know this Samsung S23. That camera array reminds me of spiders. See you soon.